What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly set up a passkey so that you can quickly log into your booking.com account. Now this is pretty useful in case you have a very long password and you don't want to remember that, and this is only going to apply to your computer, right? So you can quickly go ahead and add a passkey so that you can log in. So once you sign into your booking account, to set this up, click your profile in the upper right hand side and go to my account. Now scroll down and you want to go to where it says manage account. Click on the security settings here and you'll be taken over to some security settings. You will find a passkey. It says you can easily and securely access your account without having to remember your password. So you can set that up by quickly click on setup, and you can just quickly set this up by basically set up the passcode. So you can enter the passkey by click set up passkey. Now, in this case, you can see that it says it's quickly requiring me to enter that verification code that I sent to my email. So all I have to do, guys, is just go to my email from here, find that code that booking has sent to me, and I'm going to quickly find that. And this is the code that was just sent to my email address. I'm going to copy that and just go ahead and enter that. Once you enter it and click on verify, you're going to see that it basically pops up and say you need to basically, save another passkey or something. Now, if you have a passkey already set up on your PC, then it's going to use that. And so you can choose if you want to save another passkey or whatever. I don't want to do that, but this is how you want to go ahead and set that up. So it's super easy. Go ahead and click on setup, and you can just quickly go ahead and click on setup and set up the passkey for yourself. And that's how easy it is, guys. So guys, if you ever need to set up a passkey for your booking.com account, these are the steps that you need to take to quickly set that up. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.